Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to turn off or how to disable a stitch features on a TikTok application. So stitch features is used for someone else take a part of your content to be one of their content. So sometimes this feature is used for start a discussion or give opinion over a video. So you can turn off the stitch features by go into the profile part, and then after that you just need to go into these three straight lines, and after that you just need to go into the setting and privacy. On this setting privacy, you just need to go into the privacy and scrolling down into a interactions tools, and there will be a lot of segments that you can set. One of them is stitch, so you just need to click it, and after that you can see here everyone can stitch your video, and then you just need to change from everyone into only you, so there will be no one can stitch your content for their video. That's all the way how to turn off or disabling a stitch features on a TikTok application. So if you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.